So I'm going to talk about the modes, the new GSXR1000R, and the false information I've been seeing on YouTube that some vloggers spread where they say 3 different power modes, 3 different horsepower levels. While that's not completely inaccurate, it is false. Alright, so right now I have the electronic throttle valves open and mode A in gear 3, and I just chose gear 3 because it's kind of middle of the pack about the way the throttle blades actually open. So quickly, the difference in mode A to mode C is that mode A is more aggressive and getting to 100% throttle. It's a faster rant rate. It'll feel like the bike picks up quicker and it's just more aggressive. Mode B's kind of in the middle. I mean, it seems to be less aggressive at the bottom end and then get about the same on the top. And then mode C, not so aggressive until you get to 100% throttle, and pretty much you still get 100% throttle opening or electronic throttle valve opening. So this is mode A right now. Pretty much you can see if you read this right now at 20% throttle, 10,000 RPM, I have 14.1 electronic throttle valve opening. Alright, so if you notice over here at the 100% column, you see that at 6,400 RPM, you are already at 100% throttle. Oh, sorry, 68 in mode A. So I'm going to change to mode B, and we're going to look at this in mode B. Alright, now, I know it's hard to see here, but when I do the 3D graph, it'll be more obvious. Essentially, same thing, 20%, I'm going to choose this one. 20% throttle, 10,000 RPM, I'm only at 9% open. Alright, but I still, in mode B, if you'll notice, I'm still at 100% throttle, basically at almost the same RPM with 100% throttle position. So they're very close. Now I'll show you mode C. Alright, so 20%, 10,000 RPM, it's even less, 8.6% open. But now this is the column where you really can see the difference in how less aggressive it is. We don't get to 100% throttle till 12,400 RPM. So 100% TPS, 100% electronic throttle valve open, 12,400 RPM. Alright, now I know it's hard to really see this with these numbers in the table, so I'm going to go to the 3D graph, and this is where you can see the difference. Alright, this mode C, very flat. It's a very flat curve to 100% throttle. Every one of these, like largers, you can almost see that's a step in the throttle position, and it occurs really at the higher TPS. Alright, so I'm going to show you, I'm going to skip to mode A. Alright, so mode A, to really see the difference in mode A and mode B, you've got to follow these steps where my mouse is running up. Alright, and you can also see at the higher throttle positions that you basically get to 100% throttle much quicker. Alright, I'm going to leave my right through here, but if you concentrate in this area when I go to mode B, you're going to see that it flattens out just a little bit. Alright, so this is pretty much the difference between mode A and mode B, right in this area of the curve. And then once again, I'll show you mode C, where it flattens out and basically becomes very soft, not much throttle response with throttle input till you are wide open throttle in the upper RPMs. Alright, so I just showed this because multiple videos on YouTube they talk about the different horsepower levels that Suzuki's come out with the 2017 GSXR1000. I just think it's misleading. There's really no difference in horsepower. These dynos would all create the same peak horsepower. It's just that you were going to have a different curve getting there. So anyway, I hope that helps. If you like this video and want more of them, please like and subscribe. I'm going to try and go through all the different